Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a QR code on your Amazfit watch. To begin, open the Zepp application on your smartphone. It is crucial that your Amazfit watch is already paired and actively connected to the app for this process to work seamlessly. Once inside the app, navigate directly to the Profile section, which is usually found at the bottom right of your screen. This is your starting point for accessing all watch-related settings and features, including the QR code generation. Next, within the Profile section of the Zepp app, you will see a list of your connected devices. Select your specific Amazfit watch from this list to access its individual settings. After selecting your watch, look for an option labeled App Settings or Watch Settings. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your watch model and app version. Within these settings, you should then find and tap on the QR code or payment code feature. This is the gateway to generating the codes you need. Once you have located and tapped on the QR code feature, you will typically be prompted to choose the specific type of QR code you wish to generate. This could be for various purposes, such as making a payment, sharing contact information, or linking to a specific service. Follow any clear on-screen instructions to link necessary accounts or input the required information. After these steps are completed, the generated QR code will then be immediately displayed directly on the screen of your Amazfit watch, ready for use. With the QR code now visible on your Amazfit watch, you can present it to any compatible scanner for quick transactions or effortless information sharing. For enhanced security, it is important to note that these QR codes typically refresh automatically every 60 seconds, ensuring that old codes cannot be reused. Furthermore, the Zepp app provides options to manage your generated QR codes. You can often customize their settings, view their history, or even remove saved QR codes that you no longer need, giving you full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.